Okay, let's proceed with practice problem number 12. A barrel contains 200 liters of oil. If oil is sold in 2.5-liter containers, how many containers can be filled? So we're given barrel 200 liters, containers 2.5-liter each, required the number of containers. So our solution, 200 liters divided by 2.5-liter per container, and cancel the liters, and then the remaining unit is container, and the final answer is 80 containers. Practice problem number 13. A cylindrical can has a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 20 centimeters. What is its capacity in liters? Use pi is equal to 3.14 and conversion factor 1,000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. So we're given for the cylinder, the radius is 7 centimeter, the height is 20 centimeter, pi is 3.14, and then 1,000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. We are asked to determine the capacity in liters. So our solution, the formula to use is V is equals to pi r squared h. So substitute the radius and the height. The answer is 3,077.2 cubic centimeter. And then we need to convert it. So 3,077.2 cubic centimeter divided by 1,000 cubic centimeter per liter. And then cancel the cubic centimeter. The remaining unit is in liter. So the final answer is 3.08 liters. Practice problem number 14. A cube-shaped box has a side of 50 centimeter. What is its capacity in liters? So we are given the side of the cube, A is equal to 50 centimeter. We know that 1,000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. So we are required to determine the capacity in liters. So the formula to use, the volume of the cube is V is equal to A cube. Substitute the side of the cube, which is 50 centimeter. Our answer is 125,000 cubic centimeters. And then convert now 125,000 cubic centimeter divided by 1,000 cubic centimeter per liter. So cancel the unit cubic centimeter. The remaining unit now is in liters. And the answer is 125 liters. That is the final answer. 125 liters. Practice problem number 15. A cylindrical milk container has a diameter of 60 centimeters and a height of 1.2 meters. How many liters of milk can it hold? A cylinder diameter is 60 centimeter. The radius is 30 centimeter. And then the height is 1.2 meters. And that's equivalent to 120 centimeters. So we are required capacity in liters. So the formula for the volume of the cylinder is V is equals to pi r squared times the height. Substitute the given data. Our uncalculated value is 339,120 cubic centimeter. And then convert it then. So 339,120 cubic centimeter divided by 1,000 cubic centimeter per liter. Cancel the cubic centimeter. So the unit left is in liters. So the final answer is 339.12 liters. So practice problem number 16. A bakery uses 0.5 kilogram of flour per loaf of bread. If flour costs 45 pesos per kilogram, how much will it cost to make 300 loaves? So we're given 0.5 kilogram flour per loaf and 45 pesos per kilogram, and then 300 loaves. Required the total cost. So solution, for the flour, we have 0.5 times 300, we have 150 kilograms. The cost, 150 times 45 is equal to 6,750 pesos. That is the final answer, 6,750 pesos. Practice problem number 7. A painter charges 200 pesos per liter of paint. If painting a house requires 35 liters, what is the total cost? So we're given 200 pesos per liter and requires 35 liters. So required total cost. So the solution is 35 times 200 is equal to 7,000. And the final answer is 7,000. The unit of 35 is liters, and the unit of 200 is pesos per liter. So cancel the liter, and the final unit is in pesos. Practice problem number 18. A contractor needs to fill a cylindrical tank with having a radius of 2 meters and a height of 5 meters with water. If water costs 0.8 per liter, what is the total cost? So we're given cylindrical tank, R is 2 meters, H is 5 meters, and then the water is 0.80 per liter required, the total cost. So solution, the formula for a cylinder is V is equals to pi r squared times the height. And substituting the given data, we have 62.8 cubic meter of water. And then converting it to liters, we have 62.8 cubic meter times 1,000 per cubic meter. Cancel the cubic meter, and we have 62,800 liters. The cost now will be 62,800 liter times 0.8 peso per liter. Cancel the liter. The remaining unit is in pesos. It's 50,240 pesos. Practice problem number 19. A classroom has 4 walls. each measuring 3 by 7. If paint costs 150 per liter and 1 liter covers 6 meters squared, find the total painting cost. So we're given 4 walls, 3 meters by 7 meters, and then 150 pesos per liter of paint. And 1 liter is capable of painting 6 meters squared surface area. Required the total painting cost. So the solution, the area per wall is 3 times 7, which is 21 meters squared. And because we have 4 walls, 21 times 4 is equal to 84 meters squared. That is the total surface area that needs to be painted. So we have 84 meters squared divided by 6 meters squared per liter. So cancel now. Cancel now the meter squared, and the remaining unit is in liters. It is 14 liters. And for the cost, 14 liters times 150 pesos per liter. Cancel the liter, and the cost is 2,100 pesos. Final answer, 2,100 pesos. Practice problem number 20. A bakery buys 500 liters of milk at 50 pesos per liter. If each loaf requires 0.25 liter of milk, how many loaves can be produced, and what is the total cost of milk? Required 500 liters milk at 50 pesos per liter, and then 0.25 liter milk per loaf. So we are required the number of loaves and then the cost, the total cost of the milk. So the number of loaves, solution, loaves is 500 liters divided by 0.25 liter per loaf. So cancel the liter, and then we have then the 2,000 loaves. So this is our final answer for letter A. For the cost of the milk, we have 5,000 liters times 50 pesos per liter. Cancel the liter. The remaining unit is in pesos. The cost is 25,000 pesos. So the final answer, we have 2,000 loaves and the total cost is 25,000. We will have the next part of our lesson for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson, Roman numeral number 7.